Hey friends, we're going to be playing a game, but before we start, I have a dog treat. And there's my puppy, Riley. She's laying in the bed. Come here, Riley. See if she can do some tricks for you to get a treat. Can you sit? Good girl. Can you? Oh, good girl. No, sit. Can you shake? Shake. Good girl. Can you shake with your other hand? Sit. Sit, shake, good girl. Can you lay down? Oh, let's go this way. Sit. Oh, she's on her papers. Sit. Lay down. Roll over. Good girl. There you go, good girl. I gave her a dog bone because today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Doggone It. Riley's going to sit there and eat her bone while we play a game. Okay. In your math bin, you should have a work page. The first thing we do is always the same. Pick up a pencil and please write your name. You also have 2 bags. You're going to work with your team to play this game. In one bag, you have pictures of a bunch of dogs, but with the dogs, they have a bone in their mouth with a number. This one has what number is that? Number 12. This one has a number 11. Good job. These cards with the dogs on them, if you take them all out of the bag, they can all be face up so you can see them. That means they can all be face up so you can see them. Riley's kind of in our way. Hi, puppy. All right. In your other bag, you have a bag of just dog bones. Go ahead and open that bag. But with these cards, you're not going to face them up so you can see them. These ones are going to be flipped over. You and your partners are going to take turns. You'll start by flipping over one card and counting all of the bones. So let's count this one together. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this card has how many bones? 11. All right, so we're starting with a number 11. So before I even do anything with the dogs, I'm going to pick up my pencil and I'm going to write the number 11. Let me grip my pencil. Pick up my pencil and I'm going to write the number 11. 11 is a 1 and a 1. Wrote it inside of the dog bone. It says number of bones. We had 11 bones, so I wrote 11 inside the dog bone. Next, I can set my pencil down, slide it away. We've been practicing counting up. So if I start with 11, what comes next? Some of you may already know. If you're not sure what comes next, start at 1 and count up. Remember, this is how much? 11. So let's count up from 1 all the way to 11 and then see which one comes next. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Which one comes next? You're going to try to find that number in the dogs. If you said number 12, you are right. So we have 11, 12. Again, if you don't remember, go all the way back to 1 and count up. But some of you might remember that it goes 10, 11, 12. What number? 13. Good. 11, 12, 13. What would come next? 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to look in my pile for the number 14. Is this the number 14? Nope, I'll put it back in the pile. What about this one? Nope, I can put it back in the pile. Oh, I see a 1 and a 4. Is that 14? Okay, then I'm going to put it right at the end. How many dogs did I line up? So I have my bones. How many dogs are lined up after? How many dogs do I have eating bones right now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Three dogs eating bones. If you look over at your work page, guess how many blank spaces you have? You have 1, 2, 3. So you only need 3 more cards after the bones. All together, 1 card of bones, 3 cards of the dogs, makes 4 cards all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. 4 cards all together. I don't need to touch those other cards because I have my work cards right here. So I started with 11 bones and I wrote the number 11. Now I need to write the numbers 12, 13, and 14. I want you to practice making your numbers the correct way. 12, nice and neat, just like you're playing Minute to Win It. 13, and 14. Make sure those number 4s are not backwards. 14. Notice how I stayed inside those boxes. Now I can count. 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, next row. You can take your bone card and put it at the bottom of the pile because we're done with that one. These cards, we might need them again, so let's slide them all together and put it back in the pile. Now the next person can flip over a card and together you guys can work together. Remember, you need to count the bones, write your number down inside the bone, and then you're going to have to flip over how many dog cards? Good. 3 to count up from the number of bones. If you're not sure what to do, please talk with each other. Talk with your partners first. If your partners don't know, then you may go talk to another group. If that group does not know, then you may come talk to Miss Welch, Miss O, or Mrs. Pat. Please make sure you check with your groups first. So flip over a dog bone, count them, tell me the cards that come after, count up, and record your answer on your work page. This will be your ticket to finish this math center. Riley's sleeping now, so I guess it's time to get to work. Have fun.